When it comes to buying a new computer, it can be confusing with the range and options out there. Let BL Computers help you find the right computer at the right price. At BL Computers, the process is a little different than the big retailers. We really do care that our customers get the right computer, so we sit down and ask the right questions to find out what you need and want. We have access to a very large range of computers and laptops, but can also custom build any system. From an entry-level laptop to a state-of-the-art gaming computer, we have you covered. If your current computer needs a service or an upgrade, our state-of-the-art repair shop is always there to help you get the job done fast and easy. If you can't come to us, we will come to you. Call or come see us at our Rosny Park store today. BL Computers, IT made simple. Unit 732 Bayfield Street, Rosny Park. 03 6244 6330.